So on day 1, we landed in San Francisco and drove down the coast to Big Sur. On day 2, we were in Santa Monica and around that area. In day 3, we went to Sequoia National Park. On day 4, we went to Yosemite, and on day 5, we were back in San Francisco. So we got here last night and we were supposed to pick up our rental car, but we had some issues. So we just came here by Uber, but we're staying in this place in Pacifica, and it is so pretty. Let me show you the view. So right after this, we went to go pick up our rental car. We stopped at Costco and Walmart for the essentials, and we started driving down the coast. And of course, we had to stop at every single pretty spot to just take it all in. So we stayed at this really cute inn in Santa Monica with a view of the ocean. And we just had a quick breakfast and we were on our way. It was at this very beach where a random giant wave came and wet the entire bottom of my pants. And so I had to change after I got these clips and wear shorts, and it ruined my entire outfit. Let's take a second to think about how much that house costs in this economy with a view like that. So we went to McWay Falls, where you walk down this path into this tunnel, and then you get to see this amazing view of a waterfall that feeds into the ocean. We are on the longest 3-hour drive, and it's only long because it's at the end of our day. Whew. Almost there. About 15 minutes left until we're at Yosemite Valley. Just so happens to have this little cutie, and it's the best part of this Airbnb, honestly. We don't know what we're gonna do today just yet, but Look at how beautiful. We couldn't see too much of this view last night. That's the little Airbnb. Sequoia was beautiful, and the little hike that you can do to see all the trees was great, and I felt less bad because I wasn't the only one who was dying of breath. Everybody was. So it was a very enjoyable walk and very beautiful trees, but best of all, we got to see this sunset. Oh my goodness. We only got to do this waterfall hike while we were at Yosemite, but it was beautiful while we were there. We suggest taking the shuttle because it's the easiest way to get around. And we took these beautiful photos at night because it was just near the new moon and the sky was phenomenal. We got to our hotel, which was super cute, and went to bed at this ungodly hour.
Disappearing.
I have no idea what you're talking about.
Okay, this